Now we have a look at our next layer type, which is in this case the draw layer. So we create a draw layer, and with the help of the draw layer you can manually draw or paint your map with different brushes and colors and textures. So if you have opened the draw layer and you click on the map, you see that nothing will happen. And that's because you have to add a channel first. So here on the left side, on the channels, you have to click add. Then a new channel pops up. You can rename it by double-clicking it. And if it is selected, you have either the choice to use a color or a texture. So we directly start with a texture. So we select the texture we want, in this case grass. You also can expand your texture view here. And if we click on the map now, you will see that we can just, like this, we can just draw on the map manually. So we can adjust our brush size. We also can adjust it by holding down Control and dragging our mouse up and down while holding the left mouse button. And as you can see, you can just manually color your map. And that way you don't have to use the fill layer for filling complete hexes, but instead you can have like more different transitions between different colors and textures. And this gets even more pronounced if you use a different brush or different hardness and flow settings. So if we turn down the hardness, you see that the transition between the textures here gets a lot more smooth. So as you can see, you can really draw nice transitions here. And if we bring it completely down, you see that this this effect gets really drastic. So you have to really overpaint in order to get a filling. And that way you can, as mentioned, create really good transitions between textures, which is, I guess, mostly suited like for more lower scale maps, for tactical games, where the graphical design of the map has to be more detailed and not like that abstract. So just say we like it like that. And now we want to create another layer on top. So if we would hit the other texture now, we just simply change the texture. We don't want that. So we want this on the bottom and another one on top. So we must add a new channel. And on the channel 2 here, we can select our new texture. And now we can paint maybe with a little bit more pronounced settings. We can now paint in a new texture. And as you see, you can create this smooth transitions between the different texture types. What you also can do, if we add another one, and let's say just for showcasing, we use now the floor texture here. You can choose different brushes, and a brush is just like a PNG image ranging from black to white. You can also import new ones here. And for example, we select the spray brush now, and what this does is like it creates these. Okay, maybe you don't see it that good here. Let's just use it like that. As you see, you can create these sprinkles, and with this effect you can just try to give your map a nice graphic design. And as you see, sometimes it glitches a little bit. That's because, as mentioned, it's like a first version, so there are, of course, still some bugs. But yeah, this is what the draw layer can do. You also can use the eraser in order to manually revert your changes, so it's channel dependent. So if we want to erase something from channel 1, we have to select the channel 1, and then we can erase it again. And that's how it works. It has to be mentioned that the draw layer is pretty heavy on your memory and your CPU, because it renders new if you pan or zoom. So try to use it wisely. And yeah, that's what the draw layer does.